welcome back to PMC. It's a new day, it's a new video. So today we are going to talk about helmets and head protection in general because this is something that in India people overlook constantly, that what's the point of wearing a helmet? Our sunglasses can save us anyways. It's just saving our eyes. धूल मट्टी नहीं घुसेगा, बच जाएंगे. So it's not like that. Helmets play a very important role in your safety, because you can, honestly speaking, you can afford getting your limbs fractured. You can afford losing a finger. I've lost my finger to this bike. Not exactly this bike, but my friend's bike. I had my finger get into my bike's friend's chain sprocket, but I made out of it because it was not my head. I've sadly had touchwood. I've had friends narrowly escaping death only because they were not wearing a helmet, and the helmet could save their lives. So, getting out of the gloomy past, let's talk about helmets. So, I've recently purchased this beautiful looking helmet made by Axor. It's called the Axor Apex. It's a plain gloss black helmet with a shiny blue visor. It's a shiny chrome visor on it. So, and I'll be putting this up against my old timer, my daily driver, the helmet that I've been using for approximately 4 years now. I got it when I got this bike. It's my MT Helmets Mugello. So as you can see, it has seen quite a lot of time. It's covered with stickers and scratches. It has our lovely group logo on it, by PMC's logo on it. So the first thing that I would say is that both of my helmets have something called a double D strap. So people don't know this much about helmets, but if you're on a track, you cannot use a helmet with a quick release on it. If you're on a track, you need to use a helmet which has a double D strap. Coming to the comparison between the two, the MT has a smaller shell, but lesser aerodynamic. I guess I'm not a scientist of sorts, but the shell is smaller. The helmet has become more comfortable. I've used it for 4 years now, and the visor quality on my particular helmet has been bad. This is the second visor that I've got in 2 years. I guess that is normal. I guess not. But the amount of scratches that I can get on this helmet is just, it cannot be discussed, honestly. The मक्खी भी लग जाएगी तो scratch पड़ जाएगा इस पे 80-90 की स्पीड पर रहोगे तो हाईवे पे. And the Axor, on the other hand, is like riding in a cinema theater. You cannot listen to anything else other than the bike or music if you're playing. Do not play loud music while riding a bike. Just don't. Not recommended. So the Axor Apex also comes with a double visor, and it has a thing over here to pull the second visor down. It has a spoiler to increase how aerodynamics really works, and the helmet also, the advantage that I liked about Axor is that, not exactly an advantage, but the helmet itself comes with quite a lot of stickers. Like this one very important sticker is that in case of an accident, do not remove the helmet. Because I've heard a story where a guy had an accident, he had a helmet on, and people who were not paramedics or not trained professionals tried to pull the helmet on and they ripped his skull apart. I do not know if this is true, but I've heard this happen. So this helmet, and it also came with a sticker for every blood group. Obviously, I had to christen this helmet too with my stickers on it. I could not live without it. The MT, on the other hand, she's been a good old girl. The helmet is nice, the shell is still strong. I've had dropped it a few times. It is said that if you drop a helmet once, you should replace the helmet because it might ruin or spoil the inner linings of the helmet. So that's that. And I have used stickers, honestly speaking. There was a time when I had put stickers on this helmet to make it look good. After that, I started putting stickers on just to cover all the scratches on it. It's a nice helmet, and I've also got a 100 kmph to not remove the helmet here. This is an important sticker. People do not realize how important this sticker is. In case, God forbid, yet again, you should not have a crash if you have a crash. So this helmet matched my bike when it was new. My RC used to be white. That's a different story. That's a different video altogether. So, other than that, this helmet so far has been nice. The shell I found was a little too large for my taste, but it is very tight. It is comfortable. It fits snugly to my face. I mean, given that I've gotten the size well, and I've gotten this helmet from a place called Planet S3 Helmets in Goregaon. So they gave me a nice deal, I guess, because I have two visors. I have a clear visor and I have a chrome visor tinted with pin locks on it, the small film that does not let fog happen on your helmet. I really don't. I realize this later, but then why do I have a tinted visor my helmet has when my helmet has a dual visor thing on it already? But so far the helmet has been nice. I have zero complaints with this helmet. It's a little too heavy, but I've gotten used to the weight now. And as compared to the MT, I would not say that it is much of a difference. It is not much of an upgrade, but it's a beautiful looking helmet. But then beauty depends on the beauty is in the eye of the beholder. And that's that for this video. See you again next time.